While we do that and get this installed, you at home, let's check in with Tad Granado from Florida Home Improvement Associates.
Every week we talk about meeting with homeowners and helping them make the best decision for their home. And today we are given an award by a great financial company that's done a lot of work in the area and has helped us protect so many homes in the area to be prepared not only from the hurricane season, but the rising energy costs. And we are really honored today when we are paid a visit by Y-Green to give us a really special award.
My name is David Kelly. I'm the National Sales Director with Y-Green Energy Fund, and I'm here with my Marketing Director, Kara, and we are here to present the first ever Elite Contractor Award to FHIA in Florida. And we're extremely excited about this partnership because not only you guys do a tremendous amount of business with us, but most importantly, you guys do a great quality of business with us. So we hope for a very long partnership and really appreciate everything that you do. So we'd like to present this award to you today as our top contractor in the company.
All right, Tad, I want to share this with you and our management staff. I can tell you that it has been a tremendous relationship. Florida has never seen a better provider of financing than the Y-Green partnership that we have. It's the best possible program that any Floridian resident or homeowner can participate in. So thank you very much, and it's been a pleasure doing business with you. Thank you, Kara.
1, 2, 3.
Once again, we really want to thank Y-Green for acknowledging Florida Home Improvements as their leading contractor in South Florida, and we really appreciate all the hard work that everyone at Florida Home Improvement Associates does year in and year out to make sure all the families in South Florida are protected and get a great installation. Back to you, Martin.
Thank you, Tad. We are done with the full brick installation. It looks awesome.